Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu salukwazi endoda lesi ugogo Bathini Mbatha. Guys, I want to talk about issue ye masturbation. Guys, too much masturbation it means unesilwane. In a sense yokuthi lesi silwane lesi sikwenza ukuthi ube ungathandisisi ukulala nomuntu wesilisa noma nomuntu esifazane because you find pleasure uwedwa. Too much masturbation is silwane on a higher level because isilwane esifika kuwena ungalele. Isilwane esifika kuwena ukuma senses akho, but isilethe that desire ukuthi engathi ngingashaya lento lena, engathi ngingazenza mina. Guys, too much masturbation, it's a problem. When you find yourself masturbating kakhulu, you must know ukuthi you have a problem. The good thing about that problem is that it's a solvable problem. It's a high level yesilwane noma yesichitho, but the good thing ukuyelapha it's simple compared to the lower level whereby vele ulele you don't have control over what is happening kuwena, and then you find yourself uphupha ulele nomuntu, and then you go to that topic sike sakhuluma ngayo yama wet dreams and everything. Ukuyelapha it's a difficult thing because ifika ungekho ma senses akho. So I take it as a lower level in terms of level yesilwane kwena, because ilwane they have levels ngani zakwethu. So on the issue yokuthi you find yourself masturbating, you always find time and whatever it takes ukuthi you masturbate, and then abanye they go to an extent athi umuntu gogo ngiyithola ngemasturbate ngenaye umuntu wami. I found myself masturbating ekhona embedeni ngisho ukuthi akangizwa kanti uyangizwa. It's a problem. It's a problem that can be solved. But as good as other problems that you normally have, you need to deal with it as soon as possible. You need to stand up. You need to fight that devil. It's a problem. Isilwane esiku higher level. Ngoba uzogcina uyithola ukuthi nihleli with guys kumnandi and everything, sifike lesilwane uhambe yo toilet wena uyo masturbate. Uzoyithola uku awkward situation, kushoniwe uhlothidisa batho baduti balla batho ntho tse jwalo, but ntwena itlora ha ifihla ka wena the only thing o tlo nahana ka hore e rekile ithusa ko toilet. And if somebody else can see you doing that, wa bona re tlo inka kare a man kelelo ya hao ke nkare kelelo ya hao shapa katara kelelo ya hao a isebetse batho o tlo tshidisa mona gona le lefu mona go tlhokafetse mona wena you try gore o be le nako fela gore o tsamaye and masturbate. Isilwane leso, you need help. Matha ulothola thuso, you need help. Ngane zakwethu ngizamile isikhathi eside ukuthi lento lena ngingayibeka kanjani ukuthi mhlambe ngi-unpack kahle, ngichaze ngegaba. Ayikho enye indlela ngane zakwethu. This is a very short video. Ayikho indlela engayilokho. If you find yourself masturbating most of the time, even if une girlfriend noma une boyfriend, even if ulele ne boyfriend yakho noma girlfriend yakho noma nendoda yakho noma nomfazi wakho, and lento lena isilwane leso, you need help. It's different to masturbate because of ukhumbula umuntu wakho and you just want that pleasure and everything, and you do it once in a while. That is okay. That is not a problem. I'm not saying masturbation is a problem. All I'm saying ukuthi if you find yourself usune routine wena ukuthi routine yakho ukuthi you know ukuthi every night uyayenza lento wena, every night you know. Abanye baze bakutshela ukuthi hayi mina ngumaster ngiyayishaya 3 round ngiyayishaya 4 round mina masturbating. it ngani zakwethu, you need help. Go seek help. You need help. Ayikho enye indlela esingayihlobisa ngayo. As soon as you find yourself usumasturbate njalo, you need help. I'm repeating myself. I'm aware ukuthi I keep on repeating myself, repeating one and the same thing. Ukuthi angifuni ukuyibeka ngenye indlela. Mhlambe engconywana or a more scary to you and everything. All I can say ukuthi you need help. Gogo Bathini Mbatha, isaluka sendoda. Umavula kuvala emzini amanye amadoda. uLocksmith. Ngani zakwethu, stand up. 0828334063. 0828334063. Ngani zakwethu, let's respect uhulumeni kulezi insuku makathi stay home, so that kuzokuba nendlela yokuthi kubambeke lesifo lesu singabhebhetheki ukudlula la sikhona isifo se corona. Please ngani zakwethu, let's be careful. Let's stay home. You have something to look forward to. We have Gogo Bathini Mbatha on your mobile phone. We have Gogo Bathini Mbatha on your laptop. We have Gogo Bathini Mbatha on your desktop. Let's do this ngani zakwethu. Let's get informed during these 21 days from just ukuthi sibe uvanzi emgwaqeni. Saluka sendoda 0828334063. Mina nawe ngo12 siyahlangana. Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu.